Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa L, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing one of Charlotte Tilbury's holiday palettes. This is the Celestial Pearl Luxury Palettes of Pearl Quad. So this is part of her holiday collection. If you are new to my channel, you're not going to know this, but I did get lip filler. So any of my OGs that are returning, I will be doing a vlog all about that because yes, I do look different. So don't worry, I'll cover all your questions in that video, but that's going to be probably next week or the week after because it's still kind of healing and everything's settling. Anyways, today is my birthday and I wasn't really expecting to film today, so if this video seems a little short or a little rushed, I'm sorry. I did want to get it out for you guys, but I also wanted to spend time with my family because they are very important to me. And I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of what the inside of the palette looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and see if you guys should go ahead and buy this. Like I said in the beginning, but let's go ahead and dive into the Charlotte Tilbury product. So this is her Luxury Palette of Pearls, Celestial Pearl. So this is the palette, what it looks like. It's really pretty white with like a rose gold star emblem going on. So that's what the inside of it looks like. I will do swatches and comparisons to some other previous palettes. So a little bit about this palette. She has it in the Prime, Enhance, Pop, Smoke, so the same formula as her luxury eye quads. So the usual, 1 is to prime, 2 is to enhance, 3 is to smoke, and then 4 is to pop. Now these have micro shimmer in them. None of them are supposed to be matte. So if you are not a fan of shimmer, even micro shimmer, this might not be for you, just a fair warning. Start with the first color, the prime shade. It's almost like a pinky rose goldy color. Actually, let's swatch these first. I'm gonna swatch the top two. I always do this with the wrong hand. Ooh, those are really pretty. It's almost like a dual chrome micro shimmer powder. And then we'll do the bottom two. So the smoke shade is like the brown. And then the pop shade is like this iridescent, really pretty pink champagne color. Then you have the prime shade and the enhanced shade. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my eyes. So let's start off with the first color. I'm going to put that all over the eyelid. I do have mascara on because I was wearing makeup before, but I wanted to make sure that I just took it off and then I just primed my eyes quickly. That's a really pretty color. You could just wear this during the day. So that is the prime shade. Super creamy, easy to blend out. Really like that. Then we're going to go in with the enhanced shade, which is almost like this like goldy. It's kind of showing up more pink on camera, but it's like a goldy pinky green, if that makes any sense. So I'm actually going to take my finger. I think this is the duochrome shadow. Yeah, that's the duochrome shadow. I think that's actually the enhance. So the enhance, this one right here, is very duochrome. If you don't know what duochrome means, it just means it's got different colors and different lighting. I'm going to apply that all over the eyelid. And then I'm going to apply the smoke shade, so this almost like metallic, not so much micro shimmer. The shimmer is a lot less in this one. It's almost like a coppery golden brown. Just going to apply that in the crease and the outer corner. So that one is the smoke shade. Ooh, really pretty and creamy, easy to blend. I'm kind of super obsessed with this already, guys. Alright, then up next we have the pop shade. Usually the pop shade can be applied wet or dry. I always apply it with my finger. And the pop shade literally pops. So I apply it on my ring finger and I just put it literally in the center of my eyelid. And it pops. See? You can also use it as an inner corner highlight, a brow bone highlight. I actually might do that. I'm going to take the smoke shade and this tiny brush and apply it on the lower lash line. I do have remnants of a little bit of brown there before, but this is a really nice color. Sorry, I don't mean to get that close. Take the same brush, go back into the smoke shade, and literally I'm just going to place that in the center of my crease just to give it a little bit more definition, but still have it be like really subtle. So I'm going to go apply some eyeliner and then see if there's any comparisons to some of her other holiday palettes like the quads. And we will be right back with my final thoughts and recommendations. Alright, so I went ahead and I did some swatches from the Hollywood Flawless Filter. What is it? Star Aura palette? Yeah, the Star Aura palette. Against the Celestial Pearl palette. So the first 4 are the new one that we're talking about today, the Celestial Pearl palette. And then the bottom 4 are the Hollywood Flawless Filter Star Aura palette. And aside from like the pop and prime shades, they're extremely similar. Still very hard to pick up on camera. I remember last year when I bought the Hollywood Star Aura palette, I was like, the product shots are turning out like it looks gray. It's really hard to shoot this one on natural lighting. I didn't think I'd like it. Applied it on the eyes and I freaking loved it. Same thing with this palette. Didn't think I was going to like it, the Celestial Pearl, but I ended up absolutely loving it. It's got that new duochrome kind of formula she's got going in. It kind of looks gold, it looks green, it looks pink. It depends where the light's hitting you. They do have a little bit of fallout, but you know, very soft, very subtle, very iridescent and beautiful. And I think if you have the Star Aura palette from last year, you might want to skip the Celestial Pearl palette because they're very, very similar. They have very similar finishes. Again, just this one has that duochrome and then the color story is just a little bit different than the Star Aura palette. And do you guys remember, if you're an OG, I could not say Aura last year. I was like, Aurora? Aura? Aurora? And then my comments were like, it's Aura! It's Aurora! I still can't say it. Star Aura. There. Took me an entire year, but I finally said it. Anyways, so if you don't have the Star Aura palette and you want something that's still kind of beautiful and subtle but shimmery and perfect for the holidays, it's like a very soft glam, then go ahead and grab the Celestial Pearl palette. If you have the Star Aura palette, you probably want to skip this guy. Just saying. Alright guys, thank you so much. Sorry this video is kind of like a little bit choppy. It's not the best swatches. These are really hard to, again, swatch and like have on camera. I'm doing this in natural lighting. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to go ahead and pick up the Celestial Pearl palette or if you're skipping this one. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.